Okay, we got a little Cobra148. Supposedly, it's not receiving. So when I first turned it on and stuff, yeah, it's not receiving. There's no audio anyway. But I found the volume switch is janky, so I didn't have any audio. So that was that. The meter's not working. We have no meter light. So between the funky volume knob and the meter not working, yeah, I can see why you would think it lost receive. Supposedly somebody was doing alignment on the receive and then the receive just died. So fortunately it is receiving. We're going to go through and check the alignments on that. We're going to go through the meter and see what's wrong with the meter. While we're in there, probably throw a meter light in it. So another thing that's next on the bench, it's Psychotech Labs. Going back to Psychotech Labs, got the Cobra148 all done. Sorry about the shaky video. Alright. The meter was stuck, it's unstuck. Putting that power, it's receiving. First IF stage was way out of alignment. It actually was the input to the first IF stage. So, lined that, it's receiving good now. It's transmitting. I put a meter light in there that's actually bright enough to illuminate the meter. We're all done with this project. Oh yeah, Psychotech Labs. We're saying thanks for watching my video. Catch you later. Yeah, have a good one.